Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating concept of surface tension and how it plays a crucial role in our everyday world. Specifically, we'll look at the amazing journey of dandelion seeds as they're dispersed by the wind and how soap interacts with the surface tension of water. Surface tension is a physical property that describes the elasticity of a liquid's surface. It's what allows certain objects, like small insects, to float on water without sinking. Now, let's look at a natural application of surface tension: the dispersal of dandelion seeds. Dandelion seeds are incredibly light and have a unique parachute-like structure that allows them to float on the wind. Surface tension plays a role by keeping the seeds dry, as water tends to beat up instead of soaking the seeds. Next, let's talk about how soap affects the surface tension of water. Soap is a surfactant, which means it reduces the surface tension of water. This makes it easier to spread out and penetrate into fabrics and skin, making soap incredibly useful for washing and cleaning. In summary, surface tension is an important property that governs many natural phenomena, from the way liquids behave to how plants and animals interact with water. By understanding surface tension, we gain insights into both the intricate mechanisms of nature and the practical solutions in our daily lives. Thank you for watching.